Jai Hind everyone, we the SW cadets of 63 UPBN and CC University of Lucknow are going to talk about the Make in India initiative. Most of the people are still unaware of the concept of Make in India initiative. Make in India, a type of Swadeshi movement covering almost about 25 sectors of the Indian economy, was launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25 September 2014. It was designed to pace the economic growth as well as to initiate the India to do the self-production. The program was launched with a view for the greater expansion and the greater development of the Indian economy.
Prime Minister's champion initiative, Make in India, is just not an exceptional idea but need of the hour. It is being governed under the Ministry of Finance, intended to boost manufacturing sector, rolling out the red carpet for international business community to consider India not just the market but as a manufacturing hub. The logo of Shilhot lion on the poles, entirely made up of cogs, symbolizes the strength, manufacturing and national pride. With the aim and the tagline of zero defect, zero effect, which means manufacturing with good quality and conserving the environment, it has various other key objectives also, such as shown in this flowchart. The aim is to create the golden bird into the manufacturing powerhouse and enhancing the growth of the sector by 16% from 16% to 25% by the year 2022. The aim was of this scheme was to open the Indian market from the defense sector to the insurance sectors. The FDI, First Develop India initiative, encourages the FDI, foreign direct investment. The government has taken efforts in this regard and it has eased many laws and created new policies. It provided single window clearance system through e-Biz online portal, easy approvals by officials within 3 months, and grievance redressal system within 72 hours. It facilitates manufacturers with low cost availability of labours, cost effectiveness and tax incentives. All this resulted into 49% hikes of FDI and 63rd position of India in Ease of Doing Business Index released by World Bank out of 190 countries, and the India became top global destination for FDI. The country wants to be a job creator rather than a job seeker. It had provided and providing a greater business opportunities and generating employment. It had skilled around 40 crore laborers and peoples under the scheme PMKY, which increases their purchasing power and enhance the standard of living. It also aimed to improve infrastructure and productivity through various sectors, and building 50 million houses and 100 smart cities. GIFT Smart City of Gujarat is one of its live examples. The initiative is on its way to complete and to visual on its way to achieve the vision of Make in India. The 25 sectors contributing to this scheme are being discussed by my fellow mates. So over to them. Thank you.
So here we are going to discuss 25 sectors covered under the Make in India initiative are thermal power, oil and gas, defense export, railway, renewable energy, construction, power machinery, leather, space, hospitality and tourism, textile and garment, pharmaceutical, mineral, aviation, electronic system, automobile, health and wellness, media and entertainment, biotechnology, chemistry, welfare, road and highway, IT business, process and management, port. Wellness and healthcare. In April 2015, Patanjali Ayurved decided that it is going to set up 10,000 yoga gyms in Haryana to promote wellness and to develop positive thinking in young ones and to immunize them from day-to-day ailments. In Assam Investors Summit, an Indo-UK Institute of Healthcare announced that it is going to set up medical city in Guwahati at cost of $231 million. International healthcare firm Columbia Asia announced in June 2017 that it will invest over $50 million to set up 2 new hospitals in India by the end of 2019 as it looks to expand presence in the country. Thermal power. During Odisha Investors Summit, NLC India signed an MOU with Government of Odisha to set up 200 megawatt power plant at the cost of 15,000 crore. Energy. In August 2016, NLC India announced that it is going to set up a 500 megawatt solar plant in Odisha at the cost of $441 million.
Aviation. French drone manufacturer LH Aviation announced a manufacturing plant in India to produce drones during Magnetic Maharashtra. Convergence 2018. Thrust Aircraft Private Limited signed a MOU with Government of Maharashtra on build an aeroplane manufacturing plant near Palghar district with an investment of rupees 35,000 crore. Defense export. India confirmed that it will upgrade Myanmar's T-72 tanks supply, DRDO's radar to Armenia, Kamau 226T, multi-utility helicopter to Jordan, indigenously developed lightweight two torpedoes to Myanmar's Earth 70-kilometer range air-to-air missile and 40,000 pieces of a component used in before artillery gun for rupees 322 crores to UAE and manufacture DRDO's weapon in Saudi Arabia by 2018. Electronic system. With the demand for electronic hardware expected to rise rapidly to US $400 billion by 2020. India has the potential to become an electronic manufacturing hub and government is projecting to achieve net zero imports of electronic by 2020. After the launch of this project, 24.8% of smartphones sold in India in the April to June quarter 2015 were made in India, up from 19.9% the previous quarter by 2019. That number has jumped to 95%. Mobile manufacturing made the most of making in India.
Jai Hind everyone. Make in India, a type of Swadeshi movement covering 25 sectors of the economy, was launched by the Government of India on 25th September 2014 to encourage companies to manufacture their products and also increase their investment. Many foreign companies making the investment in Make in India project is having a great impact on the economy of India. Obviously, if the big companies will set up their branches here, it will directly affect the GDP of India. India received investment commitment worth US $240 billion and investment inquiries with US $22 billion between September 2014 to February 2016. It encourages domestic manufacturers to produce goods in the country by using factors of production like land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship and technology, thereby generating employment opportunities for the Indian masses. If this program is promoted efficiently, will recognize and endorse the Indian homegrown brands. It will provide the domestic manufacturers with a platform to compete with foreign products and raise the standard of their products. Make in India initiative help in creating jobs, ever increasing population of India. Conversion of India into a manufacturing hub of various commercial products. Development of the areas and the neighboring locations where the industries would be set up. And the program will boost the GDP of the Indian economy as the foreign investment will lead to humongous flow of income. India has the capability to push its manufacturing contribution to GDP to 25% by 2025. Make in India mission is one such a long-term initiative which will help to realize the dream of transforming India into a manufacturing hub. Thank you. Jai.
मेड इन इंडिया नरेंद्र मोदी द्वारा शुरू की गई एक नई अभियान है। भारत में बने गए सामान के लिए राष्ट्रीय, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय, घरेलू कंपनी, भारतीय सरकार द्वारा एक आर्थिक स्थिति को मदद मिलने के लिए एक ही अभियान चलाया गया है। भारत में रोजगार पाने के लिए मेक इन इंडिया की शुरुआत की गई है ताकि हमें भारत में आर्थिक स्थिति सुधार हो सके। यह अभियान 25 सितंबर 2014 में नई दिल्ली में लागू किया गया था। भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था को शुरू करने के लिए यह योजना बनाई गई थी ताकि हमारे देश की, हमारी भारत की आर्थिक स्थिति में सुधार हो सके। भारत को गरीबी स्तर के लिए यह योजना काफ़ी प्रभावशाली है। भारत आओ और यहाँ उत्पादों के द्वारा अपना व्यवसाय बढ़ाओ। यह अभियान शुरू करने के लिए हमें जो भारतीय लोग विदेश जाते हैं, वहाँ से अपना रोजगार कमाते हैं, तो वो यहाँ आके अपना रोजगार कमाएंगे और अपना व्यवसाय आगे बढ़ाएंगे। यह अभियान शुरू करने का यह उद्देश्य है कि हमारी भारतीय स्थिति को बढ़ावा मिलेगा और हमारी भारतीय स्थिति अच्छी होगी। मेक इन इंडिया के रोजगार के साथ साथ देश दुनिया के बाजारों तक पहुँचने आर्थिक विकास को गति मिलेगी। भारत विश्व देश का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र देश है। इस योजना का साथ बहुत सारी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनियों ने दिया था और साथ ही साथ कंपनियों ने भारत में अपने कारखाने खोलकर आर्थिक स्थिति में सुधार कर रहे हैं और साथ ही साथ भारत में कई लोगों को रोजगार भी मिल रहा है, जिसकी वजह से देश को विकास होने में काफ़ी मदद मिल रही है। अगर बाहरी कंपनियां, विदेशों की कंपनियां भारत में अपनी शाखाएं बनाए तो उन्हें भी फ़ायदा होगा, साथ साथ हमारे भारत को भी फ़ायदा होगा। मेक इन इंडिया के तहत कई सारी विदेशी कंपनियां अपना रोज़गार कमाने के लिए भी यहाँ भारत कंपनियों में भी पैसा लगा रही हैं। मेक इन इंडिया का उद्देश्य यह है कि वह इलेक्ट्रॉनिक व अन्य उत्पादकों का भारत में ही सामान बनाएं और भारत में ही बेचें, जिससे हमारे भारत की आर्थिक स्थिति में सुधार हो, जिससे हमारी देश की गरीबी मिटे और बेरोजगार को रोजगार मिले। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।